everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the Roborock Qrevo Edge. If you're interested in the Edge or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, up at the top, just make sure the navigational bumper at the front is free from any obstructions or debris. This cover's also removable, so you can take that out of the way to get access to the dustbin. And they actually show you the care instructions directly on the bin itself. Basically, you can empty this out manually and you can wash and rinse out both the filter and the compartment, the dustbin. So just give it 24 hours to dry. That's going to be the key here. This filter pops off right there, so just grab that. Again, shake it out, rinse it out, use a can of compressed air on it, rinse this out. So there's just a lot that you can do here. You can reach in there too, like you can get access to that door. There's another little door right there. So anyways, you can wash and rinse this out, swap filter if needed, but again, you can use this filter multiple times. You can look in there for any debris and then just snap that right back in place. Then we'll look at it from the side. We have a sensor on the side here. Make sure that's wiped down and free from dirt and dust. Same with the front with their reactive tech obstacle avoidance. This is where all the contents from the dustbin comes out of the dustbin and into the station. So you might notice some dust accumulating here. You can just wipe that down. Charging contacts, make sure those are clean. Same with the sensor back here. Look for any obstructions for our inlet there as well for the mopping system. And then flipping to the underside, multiple cliff sensors here. That's what keeps it from falling down steps. So make sure there's no obstructions to the sensor. Our extending side cleaning brush, nothing to do here per se. If there's any tangles, you can cut those away. And if you need to replace this brush, if it's worn out or broken, just one Phillips head screw, that'll pop right off, and then you can put a new one back on. Looking at the mop pads, they're just magnetically mounted with Velcro, so we can pop these off the unit. Very easy. And then you can peel off the mop pads. So if you want to get new mop pads and fresh ones, you can do that. Or if you want to give it a deeper clean instead of just the station, sometimes I like to throw mine in the washing machine. You can do that as well. You can make sure this is free from any obstructions for the mop extend there. And then the Dual Divide is a fantastic roller for pet hair. So not much to do here. Again, you can replace these as needed. You could rinse them out if there's a lot of dirt or dust accumulating. If you happen to have any hair tangled here, just pull or cut that away. But this is a phenomenal system to prevent hair tangles if you have a lot of hairy humans with long hair or pets, cats, dogs, you name it in your house. This conical shaped roller with that split in the middle does a great job getting hair up and off your floor and not on the brush. So very simple and straightforward to take care of this Roborock Qrevo Edge vacuum cleaner. Simple maintenance.